I felt very comfortable from the moment I first came in, and it was really a positive experience as far as feeling like I could ask anything I needed to ask. Definitely a great experience.
The online portion of this course is really interesting. I'm so happy that we had a chance to do that. Just going through the anatomy and through all the details, even the fine details that we're going to learn about, it's really helped you to get the idea way faster when you read about it or you watch a video about it before you receive it in the course.
The online portion goes over anatomy, so when the doctor goes over everything, you're understanding it better.
It was an excellent review of all the anatomy, the landmarks, the history of botulism toxin, the fillers. I mean, it was pretty extensive. It prepared us pretty well.
The information online were really very helpful in reviewing all the information I know, and they added to my knowledge a lot in terms of the facial aesthetic.
I got to get a preview of what was to come, and I liked the fact that I didn't have to come to the actual training blind. I kind of had some background knowledge.
It's a small group, so the doctor is familiar with each of the person who come to the course. So you are part of like the family that he's gonna take you step by step.
Dr. Sam Asasa was great in terms of explaining about the procedure, and he was guiding us step by step in order to deliver the proper treatment to the patient.
He's really nice, he's really approachable. He took the time, to make sure that if you have any questions, any reservations, he's really willing to come take you aside and make sure that you know what you're doing and that you understand everything.
He's here to help students, succeed and give you all the tools you need to succeed.
My favorite part was the fact that you actually had hands-on experience with real people.
The practice patients came in, we introduced ourselves, we did our markings and asked them what they wanted to do, and then we marked the areas. We prepared the Botox, and with the doctor's assistance, we injected the patients, so it's a good learning experience.
Having the chance to practice on the mannequins first was really great, and then when we felt a little bit comfortable with that, Dr. Asasa gave us a great opportunity to work on live patients as well. It's really, really helpful. It's so nice to have this kind of experience.
You actually get to do the things that you've been learning for 2 days. And I'm going to tell you, even if you know everything by heart, what's on the PowerPoint, you still get nervous.
Being able to do it with Dr. Asasa there to guide you and basically put your mind at ease that you're doing it properly because you have him there to help you, that's the best.
You get to actually try what you're learning, and that helps you connect the two together. So before the course, I felt very insecure. Now I feel more confident.
There's a lot of courses that you can sign up for all over the country, but from my experience, there's none that were quite so hands-on and personal. He really takes the time to make sure that you understand it.
I have friends who are also PAs and interested in aesthetics, so I would recommend it.